Audio 6.04.
So, Alicia, how do our brains make us more creative?
Well, we've learnt a lot about the brain over the last 20 years because of new technology. But it's quite a new science, and what we learn changes all the time. We know that creativity doesn't happen in just one part of our brains. It happens in many parts.
Right. So lots of parts work together.
Exactly. And it depends on what you're doing, too. We use different parts of the brain for different creative activities.
Right.
We know that when different parts of the brain talk to each other, we're more creative. So, connections in the brain are important.
Interesting. So, does this mean that we're born creative?
We're all creative, but the brain we're born with can make us more creative. However, our brains don't stay the same throughout our lives. Our experiences can change their shape, so our experiences can make us more creative too.
Well, that's great news then. So, we can learn to be more creative.
Yes. Think about some of the most creative people you know. Artists, musicians, etc. Maybe they were creative from a young age, but they became more creative during their lives because of their experiences. They became better at it.
So, there's hope for me yet.
There are certain activities that we know can help to make children more creative. When they watch other people being creative, for example, and when they play, of course. And also when they watch certain films, imaginative films about worlds that aren't real.
Can adults become creative while doing the same things?
That isn't clear. We know that adults are more creative when they go outside and have some fresh air, and when they get a good night's sleep. And also when they move their phones away from them. We're creative when we empty our minds and let new ideas enter. That doesn't usually happen when we're using technology.